So I've had a couple of queries about sound and settings and things on Zoom. So when you open up your Zoom, this is opening Zoom on a laptop or a tablet, you should have up in the top right hand corner a little cog. So that's your settings cog. So if you click that, and this brings up all your general settings. So over there on the left hand side, if you pop to video, this is where you'll see your video settings. So some of you are trying to access but you can't actually see the camera, or you can't see me. This bit over here on the right, click that drop down box and that will give you options as to which camera to use. So I use one that I plug in down on the USB, so I'm using my USB. So on your normal camera on your laptop or your tablet, this is probably where you'll have your next option. So I use my USB camera, which is above the laptop. Here I also click that I want the quality in HD, so it gives you some clarity, and also you can do touch-up appearance, so it can just soften the lines, yeah, like get rid of some of those wrinkles if you need it to. And there's some other adjustments that you can make. Lots of these, if you scroll down, are automatically set. Okay, so that's where you'll find any settings to do with your video in there. Back over on the left hand panel, if you're having sound issues, connect and click the audio, and you can test your speaker to check your speakers are set right. And this is the volume here. You can also plug in a speaker to your device so you get an even better sound. And microphone here, you can also test your microphone. So as you can see, I'm speaking, the microphone on the laptop is picking me up. So I've got my microphone sound set quite high. Actually, I'm going to reduce that a bit because I actually don't need it that high, because I use the actual microphone connected to the USB. So I need to change that, and so that it comes up with the microphone on the USB camera instead. So I hope the quality is going to be a lot better in tonight's class. Okay, so that's just some simple settings. And also you can add some background filters. So when you're actually at home and you want to see yourself and you're filming yourself, you can set some background features. So let me just click one here. So mine changes. It won't because I've got my banners in the way. So I can set some different backgrounds. Yay! I look a bit strange. I need to put my green screens up and then it will actually work properly. So there we go, back to the normal. Okay, so I hope that's helped. Just a couple of features and a couple of settings. And then just to close that down, you come back out.